Amazon Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're reviewing the Amazon Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, discussing its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right tool for your dropshipping business. Links to the platform and resources are provided in the description below for your convenience. The Amazon Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is designed to streamline your dropshipping operations by connecting your Amazon seller account with a variety of reliable suppliers. Its standout feature is automated product importing, allowing you to source products from suppliers like AliExpress, Walmart, and others, and list them directly on your Amazon store with optimized titles, descriptions, and images. The integrator also supports automated order processing, meaning orders placed on Amazon are automatically forwarded to suppliers, complete with tracking information sent back to Amazon and your customers. This tool is ideal for Amazon sellers aiming to scale their operations or streamline manual tasks. It includes real-time inventory and pricing updates, ensuring your store always reflects accurate stock levels and supplier pricing to prevent overselling or margin losses. The integrator also offers bulk product listing tools, saving significant time for sellers managing large catalogs, and order tracking automation, giving your customers real-time updates. One of the key strengths of the Amazon Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is its multi-supplier compatibility, which allows sellers to diversify their product range and avoid dependency on a single source. Its automation capabilities greatly reduce manual work, letting you focus on scaling your business. Additionally, the platform provides analytics tools to monitor product performance, helping you optimize your store's listings and profitability. However, there are some downsides to consider. The cost of the integrator, particularly for advanced features, may be a challenge for beginners with limited budgets. Additionally, Amazon has strict policies on dropshipping, so sellers must ensure they comply with these rules to avoid account suspension. Finally, while the tool simplifies many processes, it requires a learning curve to fully utilize its features, particularly for sellers new to Amazon's ecosystem. In conclusion, the Amazon Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool for automating and scaling your Amazon business. Its ability to manage products, orders, and inventory with ease makes it a valuable asset for both experienced and aspiring sellers. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and resources to help you get started.